Good morning to all. Let's start the class. Let's continue the exercise 10b. Question 13. Sonal went to school for 219 days in a full year. If her attendance is 75%, find the number of days on which the school was open. Let us see how we have to do this. See the solution. Let the total number of days be x. Sonal went to school. How many days? 219 days. Sonal attendance is 75%. According to the question, 75% of what? Total number of days is equal to 219 days. 75% means 75 upon 100 of means multiply x equal to 219 days. Multiply it becomes 25x upon 100 equal to 219. Now with cross multiply, here you have to take 1 cross multiply. So here you have seen. Now find the x. It is in multiplication form. Make in a division form. Cut above numbers. You will get 292 days. At last you have to write thus the number of days on which the school was open is 292 days as a final answer. Question 14. 3% commission on the sale of a property amounts to rupees 42,660. What is the total value of the property? You have to take the total value of the property Vx, then 3% of x equal to this amount, and then you will get the answer. The process is same as the question number 13, so do it by your own. Question 15. In an election, there were two candidates A and B. The total number of voters in this constituency was 60,000 and 80% of the total votes were pooled. If 60% of the pooled votes were cast in favor of A, how many votes were received by B? So first of all, you have seen here total number of voters is 60,000. And how many votes were polled? Only 80%. You have to find the 80% of this. And the answer that you get 80% is again make into 60%, which is in favor of A. Then 80% of that you get subtract from the A's favor, you will get the B's favor. Then do it by your own. Question 16. The price of a shirt is reduced by 12% in a discount sale. If its present price is rupees 1188, find its original price. Question 16 is same as example 11. In place of addition, you have to do the minus because here it is written reduced. So you have to do the minus. But the process is same as the example 11, so do it by your own. Question 17. The price of a sweater is increased by 8% if its increased price is rupees 1566. Find the original price. Let us see the example 11, so do it by your own. Question 18. After spending rupees 80% of his income and giving 10% of the remainder in a charity, a man has rupees 46,260 left with him. Find his income. Let us see how we have to do it. Let's see the solution of question 18. Let the income be rupees 100. Spend equal to 80% of 100. 80% means 80 upon 100 of means multiply 100. Cut it, you will get 80 rupees. Remainder equal to 100 minus 80 equal to rupees 20. Now charity 10% of 20. 10% means 10 upon 100 of means multiply 20 equal to rupees 2. Left income equal to 20 minus 2 become rupees 18. If left income is 18 rupees, then income is rupees 100. If left income is rupees 46,260, then income is equal to 10 upon 18 multiply 46,260, cut it, you will get after multiply 25 lakh 7,000. Thus, the required income is rupees 25 lakh 7,000 as a final answer. Question 19. A number is increased by 20% and the increased number is decreased by 20%. Find the net increase or decrease percent. Let's see how we have to do. Solution of question 19. Let the number be 100. Increased in number equal to 20% of 100. 20% means 20 upon 100 into 100 become 20. So increased number is 100 plus 20 become 120. Now decreased in number 20% of 120 becomes 24. New number is 120 minus 24, that is 96. Net decrease equal to 100 minus net new number minus 96, you will get 4. Net decrease percent 4 upon 100 into 100, that is 4%. Thus the required net decrease percent is 4% as a final answer. Question 20. The salary of an officer is increased by 20%. By what percentage should the new salary be reduced to store the original salary? This question number 20 is same as the example number 8. So do it as example 8 by your own. Question 21. A property dealer charges commission at the rate of 2% on the first 2 lakh and 1% on the second 2 lakh and 0.5% on the remaining price. Find his commission on the property that has been sold for rupees 5,40,000. So what we have to do, you have to find the remaining. First of all, here 2 lakh given, 2 lakh given, total is 4 lakh. Minus from this, you will get 1,40,000, the remaining price. Now find the commission, 2% on this, 1% on this, and 0.5% on 1,40,000, the remaining price. And then add all the commissions, you will get the final commission. Do it by your own. Question 22. Nikhil's income is 20% less than that of Akhil. How much percent is Akhil's income more than that of Nikhil's? This question number 22 as same as example 9. So do as example 9 by your own. Question 23. John's income is 20% more than that of Mr. Thomas. How much percent is the income of Mr. Thomas less than that of the Johns? This question number 23 is same as example number 9. So do it by your own. Question 24. The value of a machine depreciates 10% every year if its present value is rupees 3,87,000. What was its value 1 year ago? Let's see how we have to do. Solution of the question number 24. Let the value of the machine 1 year ago be x. Then its present value is equal to 90% of x, that is 90 upon 100 into x become 0 cut 9 upon 10 x. Present value of the machine is given 3,87,000. According to the question, present percentage is given 9x upon 10. equal to the value, cross multiply, become 9x equal to 3,87,000 multiply 10. We have to find the x, become in division form. Cut it, you will get 4,30,000. At last you have to write, thus the value of the machine 1 year ago was rupees 4,30,000 as your final answer. Question 25. The value of a car decreases annually by 20% if the present value of the car be rupees 4,50,000. What will be its value after 2 years? The question number 25 is same as example 10, so do it by your own. Question 26. The population of a town increases 10% annually if its present population is 60,000. What will be its population after 2 years? In question number 26, it's a rate given, time is given, and it's a principal is given. So you have to find applying the compound interest formula because there is population is written. So apply the compound interest formula and then you will get the answer. So do it by your own. Question 27. Due to an increase in the price of sugar by 25%, by how much percent must a householder decrease the consumption of sugar so that there is no increase in the expenditure on sugar? The question number 27 is same as the example 12, so do it by your own. So do these questions which are remaining as an homework by your own. Thank you.